boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day to you. Thank you very, very much, my friends. What a week. My goodness here. It was just like wild, my friends. It was wild. My friends, this is your first time listening to The Scoop. We go over your investments, your marijuana investments, your gold investments. We've been looking at these. We're going to go over today our Bitcoin, Ethereum picks that we think will survive after the halving and after Ethereum 2.0 also. Well, we think these will be big time players, and they're showing their stuff, my friends. They've showed their stuff the last couple trading days here. I was surprised as yesterday I went out and wanted to see what was going on, you know, in some of the local areas. So I took a drive up to Las Vegas there, and I started looking at some things, and we took a look at the foot traffic, and almost got into a little fender bender there for a second, but kind of got my composure back, and everything is fine, my friends. My friends, as you know, The Scoop is for your education and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook, Mickey D-E-E. When COVID-19 is over, my friends, and people are in better shape, you'll be able to go to bookstores and libraries, and the library will order it for you free. If you don't have it, they will definitely take care of you, my friends. But let me talk just briefly here. Happy Saturday to you. Happy weekend. I hope you and your family are doing well. It's really saddening to see I was looking at the news, and I saw food lines that were just miles and miles here in America, my friends. The greatest country on the earth, richest country on the earth, you know, and I do have people that listen to this show all over the world. So you would say the same thing about your country, that your country is the richest, most powerful country in the world. Over 40 different countries listen to The Scoop. And I want to thank you all for that. Your friends, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. You can share these videos, you know, and we have a good time. We make money, my friends. Make no mistake about it. You know, we have our hits, and you know, we hit some home runs from time to time, some doubles, some triples, some singles, and we strike out also. So that's what this thing is all about. But my friends, we're involved right now with a run with our Ethereum and our Bitcoin, which is fueling the crypto run. Now, Bitcoin right now is around 10,000 or so, give or take $50, $75 any minute. You know, it can shoot up to 10.5 or sort of down to 9,500, you know, any second or so as I'm speaking, my friends. But our stocks, early on, my friends, we identified 3 stocks that we thought, well, you know, they have some good management, they have some good, you know, they have experience in the area, they have some, you know, the best equipment out there, they can do some things, especially our baby knockout. Let me go over these with you real quick. You guys know HUT.TO up in Canada. HUT.TO is one of the companies we identified on. They'll be having their earnings on Monday. So the last couple of trading days, this HUT.TO on Thursday and Friday, like zoomed up. You know, this was a stock that was under 50 cents just a little while ago. Now it closed today at, it closed Friday at $1.15. So the last day of trading, $1.15. It ended the day up like 4.5%. But my friends, that's just part of the story. Because this morning, early on, the stock crashed through its 200-day moving average on heavy volume, and the stock was like up to like $1.40 or so. And I was just looking at the videos and all, and I get this message, right, from Sonny D. Sonny D woke up and he said, "Mickey D, what's up?" Sonny said, you know, he's been a favorite on the show for a while, and I want to thank him for being one of our staunchest supporters. But Sonny D, he was up 100%, and he said, Mickey, I got to take some of this. So it was a great move because the stock was like $1.40, $1.40, then it came back down to like under $1. So if he wanted to, he could have loaded up again, and he may have, and take it right on back up. Because I believe HUT.TO with what they have going on right now, as soon as they get enough, you know, companies that say, you know, they'll announce maybe on a Thursday that we're going to have our earnings on Friday, or we're going to have our earnings on Monday, something like that, just within 48 hours or so. Sometimes those companies have something good to say. They want to tell you something good. You remember that old song, Tell Me Something Good? They want to tell you something good. That's what they want to do. I believe HUT.TO wants to say something. You know, they're looking for their CEO and all that. They got all this stuff, but they're doing a lot of Bitcoin, a lot of mining, a lot of Bitcoin. So they're one of our top 3 stocks there that we thought was going to stick around. Another one, my friends, RIOT Blockchain. You guys remember RIOT Blockchain? They got in a lot of trouble. The SEC, their stock went up to $20, $30, and they thought there was some shenanigans going on, but there was nothing happening, and they couldn't prove anything. They were just, good company, I guess, you know. Anyway, my friends, after hours, they're up like to $2. Now, this stock was under 50 cents. Was it 55 cents, 58 cents, 60 cents? I did a video just a month ago, and it was under $1. Now it's over $2, about $2, maybe $2.05 after hours. It may be, you know, $2, whatever officially they give it on, you know, on after the market closes and stuff. This is Saturday. Do I have to look at that for you and get? That's what it was on Friday. So that's what it was. But that stock is again heavy volume, up over its 200-day moving average. And you technicians out there, you know, you technical analysis out there, people, you know, I like it when these stocks go over their 200-day and they'll go over their 50-day moving averages with heavy volume. I love those stocks. Big, you know, green candlesticks, big blue candlesticks, you know. Really, really good scene on a chart. I really love that, my friends. But you know what? The one stock in this crypto category, in our little crypto area, you know, we have our little areas, our little favorites and stuff. But the one stock that I like in this crypto area is HIVE Blockchain Technologies. Frank Holmes, like I tell you guys, 25 years ago, he's a straight shooter then, he's a straight shooter now. The guy has to make some decisions, and he's made some decisions that I think will pan out for HIVE Blockchain Technologies. Now, they weren't easy decisions because he had to make them almost blind, especially when he was fighting last year. You guys, we've kept an eye on this. We've been on top of this stock for a long time, put it that way. And he had the proxy fight, and he's kind of got control of the company, but it wasn't easy, but he's got it now. And, you know, they did some shenanigans with the stock structure a little bit and the shares. But he's on target now, my friends. And of those three, right now, HIVE Blockchain is the one that hasn't exploded yet. See, HIVE was mainly an Ethereum company. You know, they're out over in Europe. They're really, you know, low energy, low, you know, high production is what they're doing over in Europe right now. But they've since picked up a Bitcoin company, so they'll be doing the Bitcoin thing here. But my friends, on the horizon is Ethereum 2.0. That, my friends, is going to galvanize our stock, I believe, and it's going to run HIVE Blockchain, some people would say to the moon. I'm not going to say to the moon, but my friends, it's going to make things happen for HIVE Blockchain. Right, it closed at like 32 cents USD, my friends. We anticipate it was up over 6% today, over 6% on Friday rather. Now we anticipate that at about 36 cents, maybe 38 cents. That's only another 6 cents or so in the coming days that we will see a pullback. So people that were really patient, you know, like Megan today and like Ken, you guys were patient today, you know. KP Video News, thanks for chiming in there. You know, we really, that patience will pay off because we feel that it's going to, no, it's not going back down, we don't believe, to 8 cents where we first loaded up the truck and got as much as we could at under 10 cents, at 8 and 9 cents. I don't think it's going that far back. But people that are way up, Sluggish Loan, you got Sloan, you picked it up at the perfect time. You know, people like Izzy, you know, and like I said, Sunny D, you know, you wake up and you're 100, 200%, you know, 75% or something. Yes, take some off the table. Take some off the table. Even though the big picture, just like the big picture in gold and the big picture in uranium is really, really on our side right now, it's still not a bad idea to take profits, my friends, when you're way, way up. And we anticipate a pullback after this happening of Bitcoin here in a few days, Monday through the next trading day or so. We expect a pullback, but it may not be a pullback right away. And there's so many circumstances in there, guys. No one really knows how this thing is going to go. You know, there's 6 over here, half dozen over here, you know, whatever. No one really knows. So, you know, that, like Sunny D, the move of the day, the stock of the day was to take your profits, and you did it. So congratulations to you and all you others that took your profits today, because we don't really know what Monday and Tuesday are going to bring. So it was a good idea to take profits, my friends. Never a bad idea when you're 100% or so up to not take profits. So it's a good easy payday for you early on, and you just ride with us the rest of the way. Me personally, I told you guys, I'm in here for the ride. I try and get these things as low as possible, and that's what we do. Speaking of low, a couple days ago I was over at Planet 13, and I shared 2 baby knockouts with you. One was in the cannabis sector, Tilt Holding. I know, and Izzy, who's a great supporter of the scoop, also he dropped twice last week. Twice, I said. Izzy dropped on us. My man, the button works, Izzy. He'll tell you. The button works. The PayPal donation button works. But we get off that. We gotta get off that, man. It's either in your heart or it's not. So let me get off that. But let's have a little more fun here. But I compared that company, Tilt Holdings, I compared that company to Cisco Systems back in the day when I was trading the .coms, right? In the early 90s, James Dine said, you know, get this, take a look at this. A visionary, great trader. He's my mentor. He was my mentor back then. He was, you know, he was on it. You know, if James was gonna be at this conference or something, or be here or something, or whatever, sign books here or something, you know, it's like, you know, you were there, or whatever he had going on, you know, him and some of the other guys. But really, he's on top of this. He said the guts of, you know, Cisco System is the guts of the internet, and you just start the internet. It's 8 cents, and you know, the rest is history. You guys know I picked up AOL and worked from there, traded like a madman. But I'm looking at this company as the guts of this industry. I'm looking at it. They have 2, and Izzy was asking me. He said, Mickey D, what are they selling? What's going on and with the company, right? With Tilt Holdings. And I said, well, they, you know, I'm telling them right now, where they have, you know, they have that Jupiter and that Blackbird, the software. The Blackbird is the software. They do these software, you know, the software for the cultivations, the manufacturers, the all that kind of stuff. They do that. And then the Jupiter, they do the cartridges and the pods and all that stuff. They're the supply chain people. They're like in the middle. of the from on the supply chain. So you kind of gotta go through them a little bit to have a good coming the rechargeable power batteries, the inhaler type, like I said, the liquid cartridges and stuff. They do stuff like that. And then the software with the they do some really good stuff. They manage from kind of from start to finish. They can do that. They're not I say Cisco systems because that's the easiest way where people would understand that you're going from one end to the other. It's a one end to the other, and you're covering all end to end, beginning to end type deal, and they're in the middle. So if they can catch on, which they have, they've got thousands of clients, and they supply stuff for, they've got a mixture there that may work. Now, am I saying they're going to go to $1 in 3 months? No, I'm not saying that. But I'm saying they have graduated from a baby knockout. They were 25 cents. They're like 27 cents USD now. And they do have the potential to go away. We'll see how their next earning report goes. So they've delayed like everyone else. COVID, you got 45 days or something. You can delay your earnings report. Let's see if they have another whopping 40 plus million quarter or a $50 million quarter. Let's just see how they go, man. They're making their money a little different than just growing marijuana and CBD factories or what have you. They're kind of like the guts. That's still holding, and I can't name any of their clients or anything because all that stuff is, a lot of these marijuana companies, that stuff's confidential. I know I tried to get a hold of what was that? Who had some priority, some confidential stuff that belonged to their company, and I tried to wiggle it out of them, man. And you can't get, because some companies don't want you to know who their clients are. They don't want their clients going right to the wholesaler or going right to China or going wherever to get their product because they're ordering it from them. So I don't know who their clients are or anything, but I just know what they do, and they're in that area, that software area, that nuts and bolts, cartridges supply area, kind of the guts of some of these businesses. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that red button, subscribe. We'd love to have you on board, my friends. Be safe. Uniform of the day. Yeah. Hey, Mike, send me those. You know what you need to send me there. Appreciate it very, very much. My niece, kudos to her. Miss Hadea Underwood, California. I want you to come out to visit in Nevada. She's in Atlanta. She's, you got to give your family the props, man. She's graduated from West Point, my friends. And she was on the dean's list. Thank you very, very much. That's my niece. Do it, niece. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, guys. And hopefully everyone is well out there. But have a great, great weekend. And we look forward to next week, my friends. After the happening, I'll get back with you. Just hang in there. If you're not in any, HUT, RIOT, or they're wild right now. Our baby knockout is still doing its thing, but we expect it to pull back also. So take care of yourself. Have patience. Love you. God bless you.